Parasites. What are parasites and how do they affect you?
Parasites are worm-like structures. They're actually quantum pleomorphic shape-shifting energies that reside in the body tissues. Different parasites do different things. Essentially what they're doing is they are hijacking into your nervous system to make you crave certain foods and certain energies, thoughts, and emotions that are not healthy for the body. They're taking energy from the pranic being, from your ultimate highest potential. They also poop in your body, creating toxicity in your blood, and they lead to issues such as brain fog, fatigue, lack of sleep. Cleansing parasites is a lengthy process. It requires a specific protocol and a commitment and determination in this process, but it will leave you more clear and free than you can probably realize. An important step to take in cleaning parasites is getting your external environment clean, reducing raw fish, cleaning your pets, keeping your home sanitary, and being aware of surfaces and kitchens and spaces in public that could be infected with parasites. The best way to start clearing parasites out of your physical and energetic body is to refine and align what comes into your space, whether that's your friendships, your relationships, your life, and your inner body. Cleaning out processed foods, excessive meat and fish consumption, especially raw fish, and beginning to work with herbs and living foods, because as you change the inner terrain and you fill your body with living life force, enzymes, probiotics, digestible fruits, smoothies, you will naturally change the terrain where these parasites, these energetic demons cannot live in a vessel of light anymore. So it is a changing the terrain over time. And then in steps, you can begin to work with intensive detoxification methods such as parasite herbal cleansing protocols that are strict and regimented, enemas with different additives such as MMS inside the colon, rectally. Parasite cleansing is not a quick fix. I would not recommend taking anti-parasite herbs and hoping that these problems are going to go away, because it's like going to war. It's going to war. These demons, these parasites inside your gut, inside your intestines and your body do not want to leave. Therefore, over time, you have to change the terrain. And then when your body has the life force and the energy and the time, you go forth on a strict, regimented parasite cleansing protocol. If you want more help, you can get in touch with me directly. There are also many good resources online.